Have you ever thought how these fancy carousel slides are made in PowerPoint? Well, today, I'm breaking it down step by step and also providing you with a template which you can use directly for your next presentation. Let's get started. First, set your theme based on your project. Once that's done, insert a rounded rectangle and fill it with the second lightest color from your palette. Now, in my case, I've got 5 content items in this carousel. So I'll duplicate this shape 4 more times and fill them with accent 1, accent 2, accent 3, and accent 4. Now here's the very important part, naming your shapes. Rename them exactly like this. And don't forget to add double exclamation marks at the beginning. This ensures morph transition behaves properly. Repeat this whole setup 5 times, naming them from 1 to 5. Because we have 5 carousel items. Next, duplicate this slide. Select the first row, head over to Shape Properties and add a shape outline. Choose Gradient Line and use the current box color and the next accent color, just like this. Set the direction from top to bottom. Repeat the same process for the other rows as well. Now duplicate the original slide again, the one without any outlines. Select all the shapes and add a subtle drop shadow. This creates depth and makes the selected box stand out. I've added grid lines to help with alignment. You'll find these in the PowerPoint template linked in the description. Using these grid lines, arrange the shapes from the respective slides exactly where they need to be. Clean alignment equals clean animation. Once all slides are ready, you can hide or delete the working slides. Then apply the morph transition with a duration of 1.25 seconds. Hit slideshow, and boom, your smooth PowerPoint carousel is ready. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what PowerPoint trick you want next. And remember, PowerPoint can do way more than just bullet points.